We could go 10 miles, the car would run great, and then all of a sudden it would just stall. No check engine lights, no codes, no sign of what's going on. Hello and welcome to the Full Octane Garage, and today we're going to have more on our Mini issues. And our Mini Cooper issues continue to grow and continue to mount, but I think we're finally through most of them. So this is the latest episode of our Mini Cooper issues. We've had an issue where when we drive random mileages, we could go 10 miles, the car would run great, and then all of a sudden it would just stall. No check engine lights, no codes, no sign of what's going on. We've replaced the high pressure fuel pump, sensors, anything that wasn't throwing a code even, we proactively replaced. And it finally got worse and worse and worse, and we took it to the dealer to diagnose because we just couldn't do it anymore. So the dealer charged $154 to diagnose my issue. They told me that it was a JBE box causing it, and this is basically a junction bus system, which is basically a fuse box which is in the passenger side footwell of the car. And what this happens to have in it is a relay for the electric fuel pump. The relay is kind of retarded. It's not like a traditional relay in most cars that you could snap out and replace. It is actually built into the box, which means that if that relay fails and goes bad, you have a $467 part with $622 worth of labor to install this. And so the labor charge is basically what they say is it's very easy to just unsnap the wires and put one in, but this is programmed to your vehicle and you have to have specialized gear to do that. I don't have the specialized gear. So between this problem, which turned out to be, I don't know, around $1,100 and some change, the diagnosis, and also another diagnosis on the sunroof, which turned out to be just programming. The vehicle now runs without failing, without stalling, without any codes. It is, and I'm going to go on record, the most retarded design that Mini Cooper BMW ever did. It is very unrealistic to think that at some point in time a module like this could essentially total many cars, because some cars are only worth a few $1,000s. This one happens to be worth more, but some of them are only worth a few $1,000s, and when you come up with a $1,300 repair bill just for this one piece, people total the car. They don't even worry about it anymore. It's not worth repairing. We went ahead and repaired it because we've made such an investment in the vehicle. We do plan on selling the vehicle at some point, so we know it will be right at least. Again, this is a random stalling issue that exhibits on the R55 and R56 Mini Coopers. Sometimes it is actually the fuel pump failing, the low pressure fuel pump in the tank. That was not the case with this one. It was actually a relay to the fuel pump, which is built in to this $692 box. So, moral of the story is that Mini Coopers continue to be expensive to repair. Are they a great vehicle? I don't know if they're great, but they sure are a lot of fun to drive. I guess if you had a more exotic car like a Ferrari, Lamborghini, you wouldn't even be thinking twice about a $1,300 part on a $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 car. On a $5,000 car, a $1,300 part is a very large percentage of the vehicle value. So I hope this video helps you. There's probably less expensive ways to do this than we did by going to the dealer. You may find some shops have the programming tools that will allow this to be programmed into the vehicle. Again, the part's only, I say only, it's around $600 or $700 if you find one online. You may find them a little bit cheaper. You could go the used route. You'll find these for a couple $100 used, but you might be getting the same problem again. So I highly recommend just going ahead and getting a new one. It was a tough one to learn, this vehicle. I went through a ton of self-diagnosis and parts swapping because it wasn't throwing codes, and there was such a lack of information out on the internet about this. I hope that this helps you get to a more early diagnosis of your problems, and feel free to leave some comments below. Let us know if you've had this issue. Let us know if you're exhibiting this issue, and good luck. Thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Garage. Don't forget to come back often for some more cool content. Tell your friends about us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do it right now, and we'll see you soon.